Hi guys, so today's video we're going to be cleaning off my makeup desk. And we're going to be going through the drawers, and I'm just going to be telling you like why I'm getting rid of stuff. I have on no makeup, but I have on some lashes. But that's not the basis of the video, so don't pay attention to that. What do you want? Why are you looking at me? So I got this a long time ago, and I was been supposed to do a giveaway or something because I'm not going to use it. And at this point, I'm probably just about to throw these in the trash or give them to somebody. Also, I have these makeup brush wipes that they kind of work, they kind of don't. I might keep those. And then I got these Sonia Kashuk eyeshadow brushes. I'm probably about to pop these open and use these, honestly. I've had these for quite some years, but look at this one, how fluffy it is. So I might use that. So let me open it. Darren, don't start, because I could tell a story about you. Ooh, yeah, I'm keeping these. These are so soft. Yeah, throw these in the trash for me, boop.
I'm cleaning up.
How you like me now? Gold teeth when I smile. Try to take me out the ghetto, but I'm still buck wild. Get mad. Get mad, I dare you. Anyway. I think he's going somewhere because he out here back in the corner. But, oh wait, these are kind of cool. I swear I've never opened these. Let's see. Got little makeup brushes on them. What you say, Darren?
I didn't say anything.
This little OD emotional little boy. Get on my nerves. Nah, I'm about to keep these. Y'all thought, huh? I keep hearing your little mouth, your big mouth, friend. What you got to say, partner? Put it on wax. Like Hazel E said. Who did she tell to put it on wax to? Oh, City Girls. Bow! You mad? You mad I made that shot? Okay, and then I got these little Physicians Formula glitter. I'm not using that ever, so. And I got this BH Cosmetics 28 color tropical eyeshadow palette. It's old as Methuselah. Ew. It's ew. I'm throwing this in the trash. Let me just get a trash bag. Oh, Darren. Oh my God, you're so mean to your boyfriend. Girl, he's so mean to me. Now, we're moving on to the same drawer. I got this little caboodles bag, but I might keep it. And then I have a little sponge bijou that I probably will keep as well, but I'm going to take it out of this package, though. Just taking up space out, my nail. Alright. Tell me, do you guys like these shaped sponges or not? It took me a while. They're not my favorite. I don't know why. It's just weird to me, but a good sponge is a good sponge, so I'm keeping it. Then I have this Estee Lauder, the Smoother Perfecting Primer sample I didn't know I had. I don't even know how old this is, so I'm going to throw it in the trash. I have these eyelash curlers right here. And these are by Lily Lashes, so I'm keeping these even though I don't really use eyelash curlers. Then we have this Take Me Back to Brazil palette that I forgot I had. Oh my gosh, it's still like pretty fresh. So I'll be keeping this. And then I have this liquid eyeliner. I'm throwing this out because I'm not using this at all. Eye Booster 2-in-1 Lash Boosting Eyeliners Plus Serum. And what? This? Ooh. Oh no. I'm probably gonna throw these in trash. Because whoever did this, like, what is all this? Like, what? This is too much going on. I don't even understand what's going on. I'm not keeping it. And I also have this BB like glitter thing. I'm probably gonna give this to my daughter actually, so I might put that over there. Some tissues, this little bag, this little bag. Eyelash curler, battery. Oh, wait, I didn't see all this. What is this? Ew. So this little Fenty Beauty foundation, this is in the color 380, but I'm throwing this out. It's so old and decrepit. I'm gonna put these makeup wipes back in the drawer. Put the fan back in the drawer. BH Cosmetics highlighter palette in the drawer. More. Okay, probably gonna keep those too. Cause I was about to go buy some more brushes, but now that I found all these, like, why haven't I been? I think I thought that it was so pretty that it wasn't supposed to be used, but girl, no. We're about to use this stuff. Ow, no crap. What is he doing? I'm about to order me some breakfast because I'm hungry. Clearly nobody cares. Let me stop. When your boyfriend literally does everything for you and you still complain? Okay. This is where I put my skinny small eye brushes. Anything on the eyes goes in here. This is my daily bronzer by Fenty. This is my contour by Morphe. And this is my face powder by Lancome. Also, some bomb nudes that I have been loving is Kylie Coco K lip gloss. This makes your lips look very juicy. Like I said, the Marc Jacobs. I put this right in the center of my lips, and this is in Cream and Sugar. Also, this Artist Couture Sugar Baby lip gloss has tons of glitter in it. All-time favorite is Sandstorm by NYX Liquid. And then there's a lipstick by ColourPop called Quickie with a brown liner. It looks so poppin'. And I've also been loving Too Faced by Jordan Woods, the Social Butterfly lip gloss. Oh my gosh. I'm not going to have anything left. You got to put like 2 coats of this on though, because if not, it's like way too sheer. And you're not going to get the desired look. So, and then I use the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the color Cold Brew. Y'all know that. If I don't use this, then I'm using Nutmeg. So, one or the other. See how it's just a shade darker than Nutmeg? And then you can pair it with these. Girl, get you some money. Then I have my double-sided eyelash glue by Duo. So one side is like clear white and then the other side's black. To me, this works better than my Velour Lashes glue. Then I've got my Stila Magnificent Metals little minis. I'm going to put those in the lipstick container, okay? So we have Follow the Sun. We have Sunset Fire. And we have Burnished Sienna. Let me swatch those for y'all too. It's a swatch party. Okay, so this one is Sunset Fire. Okay. That's one. And then we have Burnished Sienna. And I'm going to show it to you in 1 second. Oops. I'm doing this with my left hand. Wow. And then we're doing the last one, which is Follow the Sun. Ooh, I might use this today. This is pretty. Oh, yes. I'm using this today. Period. Okay. So, there we go. And then also my little babies, the Cover FX setting spray. I got these both in travel size, and this is the MAC Fix Plus spray. So when you want to calm down all that powder on your face after you're done with your face, or you have like dry skin, you can use this one. I would stay away from this one if you have dry skin. My all-time fave, the Ola Henriksen Banana Face Primer. And this one has little gold specks in it, but this one has vitamin C and banana powder. So this is my all-time fave. You can wear this by itself, or you can wear it under your makeup. Love, love, love this. Okay guys, so we're back. But I'm going to have to get rid of all of this because this is broken. You can see the crack. This old decrepit concealer, I don't want. Oh, this is what I've been doing while y'all been chilling. Guys, all these concealers, these are all LA Girl Pro concealers except for this one. I never really use this one. I think it's Physicians Formula, so I'm tossing that. Oh, here goes my cosmetology list. So I'm gonna have to actually separate that into 2 bags because that's gonna break. And then I found my Inglot Duraline. So the Duraline is a mixing liquid. Duraline mixed with a makeup product of your choice creates a liquid waterproof formulation. I have this Japanesque liquid highlight. Oh, this is only good for 12 months. I guess I better throw this away because I know I had that 12 months. And so I'm going to go ahead and transfer my eyeshadow palettes from just like up here on top of my desk to in this drawer. So... and to sanitize all this stuff, all you do is just spray it with some alcohol and you're good to go. I'm keeping this palette because this is really soft and neutral. And then all these down here are blushes. And that is BH Cosmetics. This is a MAC palette that I got a while ago. I don't know. Sometimes I use it like once in a blue moon. So I'll keep it. This is another BH Cosmetics palette. And it also has the blushes down the bottom and all these beautiful colors. So I'm keeping this one. This is the Morphe M35M palette. It's okay. I'll use it. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in the drawer. Okay. And this is my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. She need a little love, but she good. This is an Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I love, 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 love her contour palette, so I can't get rid of this one. Look, this thing has been through it too. And then this is my Morphe contour palette. Love this one as well. This is my LA Girl contour palette. Love this one too. Favorite palette. Okay, my Juvia's Place palette. This is the Saharan palette. No, the Magic Mini by Juvia's. All these pretty colors in here. This is the 35G Bronze Goals palette. You'll remember this video because a lot of people didn't like it. But in case you haven't seen it yet, go watch that video on my channel. It got like 2,000 something views on it right now. Here it is. This is after people told me to basically destroy it. And this is the palette. It still looks like trash. And I'm not changing my mind. This is my Modern Romance, Modern Renaissance palette. Love, love, love. So I'm just going to go through my stuff and put away my palettes. A lot of these palettes, if you've watched my videos, you should have already seen these palettes. So you should definitely go back and look at my makeup videos. They're a little bit cringy, or a lot of it cringy to watch, but I had to start somewhere, and you know, it is what it is. They're not coming down. So okay, this is my last little box of junk. So here we have like a little eyeshadow palette that I'm giving to my daughter. This palette is actually really good considering it's cheap. It's by City Color, and it's actually really good and highly pigmented. So I might keep this one just for fun for myself. This is my Too Faced Sparkling Pineapple Eyeshadow Palette. Nothing really spectacular about it. The only thing that was really good was this gold, but I might keep it anyway. This I can't get rid of because this is a Pat McGrath highlight palette. So this is an OG. This is staying regardless. And I thought I didn't buy any Pat McGrath products. I'm tripping. Got Urban Decay palette. I'm not getting rid of this. This is the Juvia's Place Afrique palette. Really pretty. Keeping. Saharan palette. Pretty as heck. Keeping. Riri's Galaxy eyeshadow palette. Keeping. Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. Keeping that. This is the end of the video. Let me know if you guys have any questions about anything that I showed you here, or any comments, concerns. Keep it tactful, please. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. I'm gonna insert some clips in here, like when I completely like wipe this down and everything, because it's still kind of junky. But yeah, I just wanted to go through my drawers with you guys. So I definitely missed you guys. I just been, I don't know, trying to be creative again. Just a lot going on in my personal life, and I didn't want to bring that energy online. But yeah, thank you guys so much for so many of you that have been coming to my channel. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoy the content. Make sure you go back and look at other videos.